Now to the latest on a major lawsuit seeking to dissolve the National Rifle Association. A judge has ruled New York's Attorney General can sue the nonprofit in state court. The decision comes just 1 week after the NRA said it was relocating from New York to Texas and that it was filing for bankruptcy. Let's bring in NBC News legal analyst Danny Cevallos. So, Danny, first of all, remind us why New York's Attorney General is suing the NRA and why the judge is allowing this lawsuit to move forward.
A state attorney general is a law enforcement entity like a district attorney or a federal prosecutor, but state attorneys general actually have an additional role often in states, which is they're sort of the watchdog of charitable organizations. So that's what they're doing here. They're essentially suing the NRA because of alleged mismanagement of these nonprofit funds. The NRA is a nonprofit, a charitable organization under New York law, or at least it was. And so for that reason, the attorney general has the authority to look after these organizations and make sure that they're using the money, the charitable money, properly. And they're alleging that the NRA did not use this money properly. The NRA tried to get this case out of state court and into federal court. That effort has now failed.
Danny, do we know yet what defense we're likely to hear from the NRA?
There isn't. If the case stays in New York State Court, which it will, there isn't much of a defense other than the denying the attorney general's allegations that they mismanaged funds. So it'll be a defense heavily steeped in accounting type defenses and coming up with some reason why, hey, we needed this private jet for essential NRA business in order to bring our mugs and our tchotchkes from point A to point B or whatever the case may be. But that's going to be the primary thrust of their defense, that no, we didn't mismanage funds. This is ordinary course of business, proper for a charity to use the money in this way.
The fact that they're moving to Texas, does that change anything at all when it comes to this kind of suit in New York?
It's an interesting legal castle move, to use a chess analogy. The NRA is trying to say essentially, well, we're no longer a New York corporation, so bye-bye, New York. You can't really come after us. We want to go to Texas, where we'll be treated a little better, I imagine. I mean, I'm paraphrasing, and I'm kind of looking into the reasons why, but that's essentially what they're doing. They're saying, bye-bye, New York. We're going somewhere where the laws and the jurisdiction is more favorable to us.
All right, Danny Cevallos, thanks so much for all your analysis this week. We appreciate it.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.